Hello everyone, welcome to Great Academy. So, we have studied logical and logical or logical not operator and we get to know how they used to work. Okay, sir, but the good question to be asked is, sir, where or when to use logical operator? Sir, logical operator. When should we go for logical operator? In implementation, sir. In implementation, when we want to connect to relational operator. For example, sir, what is this? Sir, this is one relational operation. And what is this? Another relation operation. Sir, A is greater than B is one relational operator. A is greater than C is another relational operator. If we want to connect them, sir, we can connect them like this. That means we wanted to know whether this is true and this is true. That means if simultaneously both of them are true, what can I say? Think about it. Think for a moment, sir. If we have three numbers like A, B and C and if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, can I say A is the largest among these three numbers? Yes, of course. Try to understand. So if I say I have a variable M and if I say something like this, try to understand, sir, if this is true, or if I say the value of this statement is 1, and if the value of this statement is also 1, then what is the value for this entire operation? Sir, true, and that means this statement is true. What is the value that goes inside M? Sir, the value that goes inside M is 1. But otherwise, if this is false or this is false or both of them is false, can I say A is the largest? Of course not. So we can use these logical operators to connect relational operators, something like that. Okay, sir, let us solve few questions based on these operations. Okay, sir, int A is equal to 5 greater than 18 and 3 less than 17, and let me print the value of A. Sir, I don't want to look at this expression. Can I tell or can I judge what could be the possible values for A? Sir, 0 or 1. Why? Because, sir, the result of any relational operator is 0 or 1. And the result of AND operator is also 0 and 1. That means what is the final value? I don't know, but I can tell you something that either it is 0 or it is 1. Done, sir. Okay, let me solve them. Sir, in this expression, how many operators are there? Sir, first one is equal to, second one is this greater than, third one is this less than, and fourth one is AND. Okay, sir, we have already talked about the priority and associativity of all the operators we have discussed till now. Okay, sir, first we have unary operators, then we have arithmetic operators, then we have relational operators, and then we have assignment operator. No, sir, then we have logical and logical or and assignment operator. So, sir, let us not talk about this. Why? Because we don't have any arithmetic operator here. Okay, sir, do we have this? No, sir. Let me remove this also. Okay, sir, do we have them? No, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Let's see. Sir, again, I don't even have them. So, sir, the priorities are as follow. That means, sir, the priority of these two operations are same and more than or higher than these operations or operator. That means either this one or this one will be evaluated first. But which one? Sir, whenever we have multiple operators of same priority, associativity comes into picture. What is the associativity of relational operators? Sir, left to right. And if I move left to right, then which one comes first? Sir, this one comes first. That means we have to evaluate this one. So what is the answer? 5 greater than 18. Is it true that 5 is greater than 18? No, sir. Since it is not true, that means it is false. What is the output of this? Sir, 0. That means this whole is replaced by 0. So 0 and 3 less than 17, A is equal to. Sir, next which one will be evaluated? Next this one will be evaluated. Sir, is it true that 3 is less than 17? Yes. If it is true, this can be replaced by 1. That means, what is the expression now? 0 and 1. Tell me what is the output of 0 and 1. Tell me what is the output of 0 and 1. Sir, if someone, if anyone is false, the result will be false. Because this is an AND operator, just like multiplication. The multiplication of a 0 with a non-zero turns out to be 0. That means false. What is the output? Sir, this is false. That means what is the value that goes inside A? The value that goes inside A is 0. See, in future lectures, I will add few concepts like short circuit evaluation. But as of now, the story is like this. So what is the output? Sir, output is 0. Okay. Sir, let us try to solve this question. Please pause the video and try the solution by yourself. I hope you must have guessed the output. Okay. Sir, which operation will be performed first? See, relational. But among relational operator, the priority of less than is more. The priority of less than is more as compared to not is equal to. Okay. And the priority of logical is lower than this. So the priority of operators are like this: less than, then not is equal to, and then and. So which one will be performed? Sir, we have two less than operator. Sir, but if we have multiple operators of same priority, sir, associativity comes into picture. So from left to right, this one is coming first. So we need to evaluate this. Tell me, is it true that 1 is less than 5? Yes, sir, it is true. Since it is true, can I replace this entire value with 1? Yes, sir. So let me rewrite the entire expression as 1 not is equal to 1 and 0 not is equal to 0 less than 5. Done, sir. Done, sir. Okay. Then, sir, which one will be performed first? Again, we have relational operator. That means we need to perform this one first. Because among all the operations, among all the operators, the priority is highest. See, I'm not talking about assignment because we know that among all the operators I have discussed till now, this operator has least priority. That's why I'm not focusing on assignment statement. Okay. So tell me, is it true that 0 is less than 5? Yes, sir, it is true. 0 is less than 5. Okay. That means this statement is true, and that is why the output of this can be replaced by value 1. Okay. Let me again rewrite the entire expression. A is equal to 1 not is equal to 1 and 0 not is equal to 1. Okay, sir. Done, sir. Now, sir, the task of relation is finished. Okay. Then among remaining operators, sir, the highest priority is of this relational operator. But we have two such relational operator. Sir, which one to be evaluated first? Associativity. So from left to right, this one comes first. So we will evaluate this. Is it true that 1 is not equal to 1? No, sir. 1 is equal to 1. That means this statement is false. 1 is not equal to 1 is false. That means this is false. So can I replace this, or what is the output of this? 0. Because it is false, the output of this statement is 0. And 0 not is equal to 1. Sir, now logical and relational. Which one to be performed first? Sir, relational. So what is the output of this? Sir, is it true that 0 is not equal to 1? Yes, it is true. 0 is different and 1 is different. 0 is not equal to 1 is true. That means this statement is true. And that is why the output of this, or the value for this expression, is 1. So finally, what we have? 0 and 1. Sir, AND operator. The result of AND operator is true or 1 only if both the input are non-zero or true. But here we have a 0. That is why false and true, the result will be false. And if it is false, sir, this whole can be replaced by 0. So what is the value that goes inside A? Sir, the value that goes inside A is 0. So what is the output of the following code? What is the output of this particular code? Sir, the output of this code is nothing but 0, because what is the value? Sir, we are trying to print the value of A. That is 0. Please note all of these questions and try yourself again. Sir, let us try to solve another question like this. Okay. Sir, again. Sir, what we have? Sir, relational, logical, relational. Sir, the priority of relational operators is more than logical operator for sure. That means the priority of AND is less than relational operator. And I am not talking about assignment statement, because assignment has least priority. Okay. Sir, relational, among relational, what we have? Less than, greater than. Sir, less than and greater than are of higher priority as compared to double equals to and not equal to. Okay, sir. We have not equal to, double equals to, and. Okay, that means the priority is as follow. Highest priority is less than and greater than in this. Okay, sir. So now we have less than, greater than. Sir, which one should be performed first? Associativity, because we have multiple operators. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 operators of same priority. Among these 4, which one should be evaluated first? Sir, associativity comes into picture. So, which one should be evaluated first? Sir, from left to right, this one is coming first. So, tell me, is it true that 2 is less than 5? Yes, sir, it is true. And that means this statement is true. So, this whole can be replaced by value 1. That means 1 not is equal to 2 less than 5 and 8 greater than 5 double equal to 8 greater than 5. Okay, sir. Done, sir. Next, sir, next, this one will be performed first. Okay. Is it true that 2 less than 5? Yes, sir. Since it is true, can I replace with this with 1? Of course, sir. Let me rewrite it again. A is equal to 1, not is equal to 1, and 8 greater than 5 double equals to 8 greater than 5. Now, sir, again, which one should be performed first? This one. 8 is greater than 5. Is it true? Yes, sir, it is true. That means, since it is true, can I replace this statement by a value 1? And let me rewrite the entire statement again. 1 not is equal to 1 and. Okay. Sir, now it is the turn for this relational operator. So, is it true? Yes, sir, it is true. And because it is true, I can replace this statement with 1. Okay. Okay, sir. 1 not is equal to 1 and 1 double equals to 1. Okay, sir. Sir, now we have relational and logical. The priority of relational operator is more. But these two operators are of same priority. Which one should be evaluated first? Sir, associativity. from left to right, this one is coming first. So let me evaluate this. So tell me, is it true or false that 1 is not equal to 1? Sir, it is false. 1 is not equal to 1 is a statement which is false. That means this statement is false. And since it is false, can I replace this, or can I say the value of this statement is 0? Okay, sir. Done. See, I am again reminding you, if you know about short circuit operations, don't worry. I will discuss it later on. As of now, try to understand what is going on here. Sir, 1 is equal to 1 is true. And, okay. Sir, what is the output? See, true, I mean by true, 0. Or 1, sir, 1. But, since it is an AND operator, one operand is 0, the result of this one is 0. So what is the value that goes inside A? Sir, the value that goes inside A is 0. That is why the output of this code is nothing but 0. Okay, done. Sir, let's try to work upon OR operator. Okay, sir. If I talk about this, we have relational operator less than, we have logical operator and assignment. Sir, the priority is like this. So which one should be performed first? Sir, less than and greater than have same priority. So either this one or this one. Sir, associativity, that means left to right, this one is coming first. So tell me, 2 less than 5, is it true? Yes, sir, it is true. That is why I can replace this with 1. Okay. Again, which one will be performed first? Then, sir, this one. 2 is greater than 5, it is 0. Sir, OR operator, what does it say? If at least one of the operand is non-zero, the result is true. So, we have one operand as non-zero, that means the result is true. And what is the meaning of true? What value goes inside A? The value that goes inside A is 1. That is why the output of this code is 1. So that's how logical operators, relational operators used to work, and we need to know what are the priorities and associativity of different operators. With practice, you will get to know. The more questions you will solve, the more easily you'd remember what are the priorities of different operators, what are the associativity of different operators. Don't try to mug them up. Don't try to mug them up, please. This is a very bad practice. With questions, you will get to know. More questions you will solve, everything is easy. So I think clarity of concept is there as far as logical operators and relational operators is concerned. You need to remember one thing, sir, the output of relational as well as logical operator is always 0 and 1 or 1. That means output of any relational operator. Can it be 2? No, sir. Can it be 3? No, sir. Can it be -1? No, sir. The output of every relational operator and the output of every logical operator is either 0 or 1. We need to remember this. Yes, that's an easy task. So, I hope that's it for this session. Bye-bye. Take care.